Imagine a revolutionary machine that can effortlessly produce an astounding 20,000 to 24,000 bricks in just 8 hours. The ultra-power hydraulic system by Bruhaspati Engineering is the future of brick production. Our innovation online machine status check app allows you to monitor production in real time, ensuring your projects stay on track. Our cutting-edge online PLC maintenance system keeps your machine in peak condition, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The ultra-power hydraulic system is also easily self-maintainable, so you can say goodbye to costly service calls. Our dual mixture system guarantees unmatched consistency in every brick, meeting the highest quality standards. With robotic brick stacking, you can experience efficiency at its finest. Our system is designed to work with any type of sand, even low-grade fly ash, ensuring your projects remain budget-friendly without compromising quality. Unleash power of remote control with Bruhaspati Engineering. Manage your PLC from anywhere, giving you unparalleled flexibility and control over your production. Say farewell to excessive labor costs as the Bruhaspati Engineering system streamlines your operation. Built to endure, our system boasts a robust 25mm, 50mm body structure, guaranteeing reliability and longevity. Featuring dual 60-tone jacks and a double 600 kg mixer, Bruhaspati Engineering is the epitome hydraulic power. Our 28-foot conveyor belt simplifies the movement of materials, increasing efficiency throughout the production process. The ultra-power hydraulic system by Bruhaspati Engineering is eco-conscious and cost-effective, requiring only 40 HP. Now is the time to embrace the revolution in brick production. Contact Bruhaspati Engineering today to schedule a demonstration. Visit our website or call phone number to partner with Bruhaspati Engineering and redefine construction standards. The ultra-power hydraulic system by Bruhaspati Engineering, where innovation meets efficiency and the future takes shape. Thank you.